Come test drive the 2026 ID.4. The Volkswagen ID.4 is an all-electric SUV blending style, practicality, and advanced technology. With a roomy interior, impressive range, and intuitive infotainment system, it offers a comfortable ride and a user-friendly driving experience, making it a strong contender in the electric vehicle market.
This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, panoramic roof, tow hitch, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors. Come see the car for yourself.